Hi, my fragrance friends. My name is Auxe, and here we will speak about fragrances. It's another day, and when it's another day, there is another fragrance, as usual. So today I would like to show you two fragrances. Like I was speaking about this one before, but that one not yet. So my scent of the day, it was like a combination of these two fragrances. Does anybody of you knows this fragrance? It's Clarins Eau Dynamysante Vitality, Freshness and Firmness. Like I think, some of you might know it, some of you might not know it, but it basically stands in the Clarins range, if you know that brand. And I was combining them together. This one is ZARA Vibrant Leather for Her. So I was combining them together. The reason why, because on its own, this one, I feel, to me, it's slightly, slightly too strong. Let's say we're going to have first impressions now, and so when you try for the first time, it feels like it's a little bit like too strong, like slightly too bold, and slightly, we can have a polite side of it and then not like type of negative side of it. So let's say positive side of this fragrance is that it's very well known. People buy it for presents. People very often buy it for their moms. I think it might be like for any age, but slightly maybe perhaps like for if you have like an older lady that you want to give a present to. I would say this one is such a perfect type of gift, and it's really well known. I really like the idea of it. The way you're supposed to use it is you spray it on your palms. The reason why, because it's hydrating, and basically you just tap it like this. It's a different type of fragrance, hydrating fragrance, and you just tap it all over, because it has some kind of like a hydrating side, and basically that's how they use, Clarins, I think they use it before starting any like a facial type of procedures, like when you do those cream type of facials, so they start with this type of like a move. They first kind of spread this smell all over, whoever is the client there, and then it's kind of to give this type of relaxing mode, So the positive side also, it's kind of interesting. I think it's suitable for winter because it has this type of stronger smell that would be very suitable for the winter. The words are vitality, freshness and firmness. So if we talk about the negative part, I think this one might be, slightly on the, you can feel this old-fashioned type of sense, For that reason, my hand was very unsure if I should reach it or not, because of that type of little bit old-fashioned type of feeling, So for that reason, I decided to layer them together. Just gave 2 spritz of this one and maybe 4 sprays of Vibrant Leather for Her from ZARA. And I was actually all right of it. It wasn't my best day of wearing fragrance, but I felt like I'm wearing something slightly different, with this type of combination. If you guys know this fragrance, Eau Dynamysante, let me know. They do this green one, blue one as well. Blue fragrance, and they do this green Clarins fragrance, Eau Dynamysante from Clarins, So because I already sprayed it, so let me kind of spray it one more time just to finish this type of situation, Like, so when I started the day, I felt at the beginning that I'm wearing something slightly different. It doesn't mean that I'm really liking it, but it's slightly different day of the fragrance. In the middle of the day, I start to feel like maybe something like slightly off. I wasn't sure, but that was probably just like a moment. But then after I felt something was coming through slightly interesting and not as sharp as this one, because, you know, I layered them together. So that was my feelings, you know, that I got, because this one is just like initial impression. So I don't even know notes. I will come back to speak about it later on, you know, but that was my day. That was my scent of the day. And that's what I had this type of experience, you know. I'm pretty sure you guys are having different type of experiences with different fragrances. You can let me know, what was your experience today? Was it positive, negative, or was it mixture of both? You know, or maybe you got a compliment, you know. It's so nice to get compliments. So I will leave you at that. I will come back to you very, very soon. And bye-bye, guys.